Kommo CRM tutorial, how to use Kommo CRM. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with using Kommo CRM. Kommo CRM is an amazing tool that allows you to manage clients all in one application. So instead of having to use WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, Telegram, and other applications, you can move everything into Kommo and easily manage your leads and contacts. So let's get started with Kommo. To get started, simply head on over into the Kommo.com website and then click on Try It Free for 14 days. Now, the amazing part about using Kommo is that you get a 14-day free trial, and then you can move towards their different plans. Their 6-month plans start with a base, advanced, and enterprise plan. Their base plan is only $15 and has base limits, unified inboxes, multiple sales pipelines, customized dashboards. Their advanced version for $25 includes automations, broadcasting, and sales bots. Now let's get started with Kommo. You can put in your email address or you can sign in with Google. This is up to you. I'm just going to proceed with my Google account over here. Once we go on ahead and continue to our Google account, we are going to now sign in to Kommo. Now, once you have created your account on Kommo, you have to set up how you want your Kommo account to look. So if you want a light theme, you can select your avatar, you can select your support preference, then you can choose the type of support you want to provide. So if it's phone or WhatsApp based, then you will have to provide your phone number. If it's in-app support chat, then you can use the simple in-app application. After that, you can proceed with your first onboarding step. I'm just going to close this and I am going to proceed directly into Kommo. Now, once you have created your account, this is what your account is going to look like. On the top left, you will see a dashboard. Here, you can see a summary of all of your sales, of all of your leads, and all of the conversations. Then on the left, you have a section called Leads. In this, you can categorize different leads at different flows. You can see on the top right, there is an option for creating a new lead. Simply click on New Lead over here, and then you can add the lead information. So let's say that this is lead 1 and the contact info is going to be Anna Rose, and then I can add a company as well. So let's say it's called Rose Incorporated. I can add their phone, work email, position, and I can create the company information. So I can add the company information over here. Then after that, I'm just going to click on save, and then I can go into the initial setup. So in your setup section, you can proceed with adding more details. Whatever type of industry you're in, you might have specific contact details that you might want to include. So you're just going to add those contact details over here. You can build your own customized fields to do that. For example, about a contact, let's say I want to add their institution of where they graduated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add field. This is going to be short field, and this is going to be university. And then after that, I'm going to click on save, and I want to be able to add which university this particular contact is from. Depending on what type of business you have, you might be doing admissions, you might be managing, a education-based industry or whatever industry it is. You have industry-specific fields that need to be incorporated. Once you have created a lead, you can move a lead towards the different stages. First, you have initial contact, discussion, decision-making, and then you have contract discussion. Then after that, you can move it either in the lost or the won pile. You can click on the top right and then click on Edit Pipeline to edit your sales pipelines. So you will see there is an option for you to customize to online store, consulting, services, marketing, travel agency. But if you have a specific industry or if your business does not fill out with these templates, if your lead management system looks different than the one over here, then you can simply go on ahead and add your own lead stages into this particular sales or lead pipeline. Now I'm going to be using a consulting pipeline, and then just click on save. Then you can transfer your leads. So contract discussion can go into pitching, and I'm just going to click on save over here. And now you can see there is a different lead management system that is going to fit in a bit more accurately with our specific industry. Then on the left, you have a chat section. You can click on Add Channels on the left. From here, you can add different channels where you are chatting with your potential leads. This includes WhatsApp, Facebook, Viber, Skype, Telegram, Instagram, WeChat, and other applications. You can also add platforms like Slack, Telegram, Rivet Chat, and other chat apps. Once you have added different sales channels or different chat channels, you can go into templates and bots to add certain bots that are going to help you in replying to certain texts. So let's say, for example, whenever you receive a text on Facebook about how, someone wants to purchase a product. So you might want to say, "Hey, thank you for contacting us. A customer support agent will be attending to you soon." That type of message can easily be used as a template message. This is just going to help you in ensuring that people are replied to quickly and people do get the responses that they are looking from your business. Now, after that, you can move towards your sales bot and add sales bots that are going to help you in setting up replies, instant replies, and then chat templates can be used with AI power ups, which allow the AI to actually read the message and reply accurately. And you also have your settings and then broadcasting settings. Then, after that, you have a calendar, which can help you in managing your tasks. You can build simple to do lists and sync them with your Google Calendar as well. Then, after that, you have a lists section. In this list section, you are able to create lists of all of your contacts and all of your companies. All companies and contacts are incorporated within this list. Whoever is the company owner is listed, and then the company is listed below them. Then you have a simple mail function. This mail function allows you to read your inbox and view any messages that are related to your particular business. Then you have a simple stats section. This provides you with analysis of your win-loss ratios, your consolidated reports. You can build different types of reports in that. You also have reports by activity, different activity logs, call reports, and goal reports as well. This helps you in measuring whether or not your business is on track. Then you have a simple settings panel. In this, you are able to manage any integrations, manage your own personal billing for your account, and then a help center for you to be able to get help for setting up your Kommo CRM. And this is how simple and easy Kommo has made CRM management. Now, not only can you manage your leads over here, but Kommo serves as a all-in-one. You can do your CRM functions, you can manage your sales pipelines over here, you can nurture your leads, and you can also get detailed analytics. But you also can build your store auto replies here because if you go into channels or in chats on the left, you can click on add channels and whatever Facebook account, Viber account, Instagram account that your business has, you can actually make automated replies for those. And depending on the type of industry you might have, this is going to yield you a lot of value. Creating AI chatbots can become really complicated, but Como has made it super simple and easy for anyone to do so. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with Como CRM. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.